Hello students, this is Kavalji Singh from Rasa International School. Today I welcome you for the session on metals and their physical properties. Now, basically to understand the physical properties, we can able to define it as the properties which we are able to see or can feel are the physical properties of a substance. तो जो चीज़ हम देख के या महसूस करके बता सकते हैं किसी भी सब्सटेंस के बारे में वो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज कहलाती हैं. So basically metals have the following physical properties. First, they are solid at room temperature except mercury. They are opaque, means we are not able to see through them. They are not transparent. Okay, so we can't see behind the metal. If the metal sheet is being placed in front of any substance, we are not able to see the substance behind it. मीन्स मेटल जो होता है अपने रूम टेम्परेचर पे सॉलिड स्टेट में होता है और मेटल जो होता है वो ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं होता जैसे कि ग्लास होता है. थ्रू ग्लास वी कैन सी द सब्सटेंस, ओके, बट थ्रू मेटल वी कांट सी द सब्सटेंस बिहाइंड इट. थर्ड, मेटल्स आर लस्ट्रस, मीन्स दे आर शाइनी, ये चमकते हैं. ओके, मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, means they conduct heat as well as electricity. So we will discuss in our slide how they are conducting heat and electricity. They are malleable, they are ductile. Malleable means they can be drawn into sheets by hammering. Ductile, they can be drawn into wires by stretching. Okay, malleable means उनको sheet में convert किया जा सकता है और डक्टाइल का मतलब है कि उनको थिन वायर्स में बनाया जा सकता है. हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट मीन्स दे डोंट मेल्ट इजीली, दे हैव द हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. Usually they have more than 300 degree Celsius as their melting point. Exceptions are there. Denser than other elemental substances, basically water. Sonorous means they produce sound. So हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, इनका जो पिघलने का टेम्परेचर होता है वो काफ़ी हाई होता है. डेंसर, ये और सब्सटेंस से डेंसर होते हैं, इनकी डेंसिटी ज़्यादा होती है, मींस मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम इनका ज़्यादा होता है. सोनोरस, ये साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं अगर हम इनको हिट करें, मींस वेन एवर द मेटल्स वाइब्रेट दे प्रोड्यूस साउंड. Examples of metal: aluminium, iron, copper, mercury, silver, gold, platinum, lead, titanium, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, tin and zinc. Okay, metals are generally solid. So first of all we start with this. So the first thing is metals and their physical property. The first property is metals are usually solid at room temperature except mercury. So you can find various objects are over there in picture and you can see that they are made up of metal and they are solid in state, which we are using in our day-to-day life. So most of the articles you are able to identify, most of them are linked to the food items which we eat are placed in these vessels or utensils. Okay, तो जितने भी हम आइटम यहाँ देख रहे हैं, आर्टिकल्स हम देख रहे हैं, ये मेटल्स के बने हुए हैं और ये सारे सॉलिड स्टेट में होते हैं. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मेटल, दैट दे आर यूजुअली इन सॉलिड स्टेट. द नेक्स्ट इज दे आर ओपेक. So we have number of sheets, metal sheets are lying over here in the figure, and opaque means the substance which is non-transparent, means through which we can't see. So ऐसा सब्सटेंस जिसके आर पार हम नहीं देख पाए, तो मेटल्स एक ऐसे सब्सटेंस हैं जिनके हम दूसरी तरफ नहीं देख सकते अगर उसकी शीट हमारे सामने हो. Now metals are lustrous. So most of the articles made up of metal we wear, like ring and other things, okay, bangles, they are made up of metals like gold and silver. So they are shiny, means ये चमकदार होते हैं. So metals are lustrous. Okay, the next is The metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. So we are using various types of utensils in kitchen to cook the food, and the heat is being transferred from metal to the substance which we are cooking. तो जनरली हम कोई भी चीज़ बनाने के लिए हम मेटल के यूटेंसिल्स यूज़ करते हैं, जिसमें जो हीट है वो ट्रांसफ़र होती है मेटल के थ्रू किसी सब्सटेंस में, और मेटल के अपने एक एंड से दूसरे एंड तक भी. दिस इज द वे, or we can say that the metals conduct heat. Secondly, the metal conduct electricity. So in our home we have wires which we are used to allow the flow of current from one end to another. So whenever we switch on any appliance, the current is flowing through the wire and the appliance start operating. मीन्स जब भी हम कभी स्विच को ऑन करते हैं तो करंट फ्लो होता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो होती है किसके थ्रू? वायर के थ्रू. एंड वायर्स आर मेड अप ऑफ मेटल्स. सो in the figure you can find that there are different wires which are given on the right side, and they conduct electricity because they are good conductor of electricity. Who? Metals. Now the next is metals are malleable, flattened into thin sheets by hammering. So malleable means कि metal को अगर हम बीट करें बार बार हैमर से, so it has been beaten up by hammer, then it can be drawn into thin sheets. उसकी शीट बनाई जा सकती हैं. Like the aluminium foil we are using for wrapping up the food which we are carry with us to our school. Okay, so metals can be drawn into thin sheets. This property of metal is known as malleability. Okay, now the next is ductility, or you can say metals are ductile, means they can be stretched into wires. So there are different types of wire being given to you. Okay, copper wire, aluminium wire. means जब भी हम किसी मेटल को खींचेंगे दोनों एंड से तो वो स्ट्रेच होता जाएगा और उस खिंचाव से वो पतली वायर्स के अंदर चेंज हो जाएगा. So they can be drawn into wires. Okay, a 1 gram gold can be drawn into approx 1 kilometer of thin wire. Okay, so there are different types of examples, or in our day-to-day life you can see that metals have been drawn into thin wires and they have been used for various purpose in our day-to-day life. Now metals have high melting point, means they don't melt easily. Exceptions are there. Again, mercury is at room temperature is liquid in state, means its melting point is very low. But most of the metals are having the melting point greater than 300 degrees Celsius. So as been shown in figure, mercury is having a melting point of minus 39 degrees Celsius, whereas you can see that the iron is having a melting point of 1540 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो ज़्यादातर मेटल्स का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट हाई होता है, लगभग 300 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ज़्यादा. लेकिन कुछ मेटल्स का एक्सेप्शन है, जैसे कि मर्करी, इट्स मेल्टिंग पॉइंट इज लेस देन 300 डिग्री सेल्सियस. It has been given over here also, it is minus 39 degree Celsius. Now metals are denser than other elemental substance. This is also a physical property of metal, means they are denser than other elemental substance, means the mass per unit volume is more. We basically compare it with water. So metals generally sinked in water. They're usually sinked in water. So there's in figure on the left side you can see that the metal block is sinked because it is more denser than water, but the wooden block, which is a non-metal, is less denser than that of water. So it is floating over there, but the metal block is sinked in. So this is also a physical property of metal कि metal की density और elemental substance से ज़्यादा होती है. यूजुअली वी कंपेयर इट विद वाटर. तो अगर एक मेटल को वाटर के अंदर डिप किया जाए तो दे यूजुअली सिंक्ड इन, वो डूब जाते हैं. लेकिन जैसे ज़्यादातर नॉन मेटल जैसे कि इधर यहाँ पे वुड है, ये उसके ऊपर फ्लोट कर रहा है. ओके. मेटल्स आर सोनोरस मीन्स दे प्रोड्यूस साउंड. तो मेटल जो वाइब्रेट करते हैं, अगर हम उनको हिट करें तो वो वाइब्रेट करते हैं, तो वो साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. So that is why we call them as sonorous. They are able to produce sound. Thank you. And the admissions are also open for Rasa International School. So thank you. And we will continue in our next session, in our next video, about non-metals and their physical properties.